my product or business would be a landscaping company that uses a lawnmower that cuts the grass but also fertilizes it at the same time. This would add value to my customer because it would save them a lot of time and money on that they wouldn't have to spend on their lawn. The problem I would be solving is ugly and malnourished looking grass. I would be saving the customer a lot of time and money because instead of getting companies to cut the grass and then fertilize it, my company would cut the grass and fertilize it at the exact same time, so it's half the amount of time as other companies. And then you have that nice, rich, healthy, full looking grass, and it just looks spectacular. I think everyone could use our product in our company, but I'd be focusing on people that are super busy and don't have time to mow their lawn, because then they will pay us, be more willing to pay us.